Hello friends, so today in this video we will talk about how to download and install WhatsApp in Windows 7. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. First open your browser. Search google.com. Search WhatsApp download. Open the link. Download WhatsApp according to your system type. How to check your system type. I already download the WhatsApp. If you will see this error, solution video link in the description. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel.